Hello friends, my name is Prasenjit Kapse. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Nature. Today I would like to introduce you with top 10 YouTubers who had gained name, fame and money from the YouTube channel. So first YouTuber is Kariminati with 21.3 million subscribers. Ajay Nagar at the age of 21 became the most subscribed YouTuber in India after his latest song Yalgir. His song, which tells his side of the story in the latest YouTube versus TikTok controversy, has gained 64 million views. Amit Bhadana stands second with a 20.5 million subscribers. Amit Bhadana is the first Indian YouTuber to have gained 20 million subscribers. He is a comedian and has created content with many Bollywood stars such as Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgan. The third YouTuber is Ashish Chanchalani with 18.6 million subscribers. Ashish Chanchalani is one of the India's funniest YouTubers. He became famous when his video How to Annoy People Who Says Tu Mere Baap Ko Janta Hai went viral. He also appeared in the Eld Balaji's Class 2017 web series. We all know BBK Wine's Bhuvan Bum with 18 million subscribers. He is the first Indian YouTuber to get popular amongst the audience. He was the first YouTuber to cross 10 million subscribers and also the first one to be invited at Davos to attend the World Economic Forum's annual meeting. His latest video was about the plight of poor workers in the India who were affected the most by the lockdown. Technical Guruji at fifth position having 17.1 million subscribers. He is one of the very few people who reviewed smartphones and other gadgets on YouTube and made millions out it. He also made it to the Forbes India's 30 under 30 list. The famous Sandeep Maheshwari, with 15.1 million subscribers, is a popular motivational speaker who influences people and guides them on decision making. He is also the only one in the list who has not yet monetized his channel. The famous Round to Hell, with 13.7 million subscribers, this channel was started by the three friends Nazim, Wasim, and Zayan in 2016. They together make powerful comedy content. When they first started, their videos didn't get a great response from the audience, but they kept doing. All three of them showed to shame when one of their videos went viral. Fact is at 8th position having 13.6 million subscribers. Rajesh Kumar through this channel tells amazing facts about everything and anything. His content ranges from a list of most expensive things to why smartphones nowadays have non-removable batteries. At ninth position, Dr. Vivek Bindra with 12.6 million subscribers. Bindra is a motivational speaker who creates Hindi content about business and entrepreneurship. He is also the founder and CEO of Bada Business, which runs an entrepreneurship program to help and develop small businesses.